For all the people who told me that I wasn't gonna be able to do anything with my hair when I locked my hair, what is this? What do you call this? Doing a Flexi Rod set on my Microlocs. I am almost 8 months locked, and if you have been watching the little videos that I have been posting since I got locks, they don't look that much longer, but they are fuller. But today I am starting out on freshly washed hair. I like to do all of these styles on freshly washed hair. I haven't done any like leave-in conditioner or anything, but if you are interested in like how I keep my locks moisturized, I do have a different video on that, and I will have it tagged in the corner so you can check that out. You can pause that one, come back to this one, you can watch this one through and then go watch that one. Let's just get right into the video. These are the Flexi Rods that I'm going to be using today. I picked these up a lot of years ago. Never used them when I had loose hair because it was just a lot, y'all. It was just a lot to do with loose hair. You're going to start at the bottom. Sometimes I start at the top, but today we're starting at the bottom. And you're gonna loop that around. And you're gonna secure it with that piece that we bent, okay? And then you're going to wrap. Now remember what I said. If you want these to be dry quicker, you're gonna use less moisture. And when you get to the top, you're just gonna secure it with that end piece. And I like to fold mine over just for maximum comfort. Now, you see that this one didn't take up all of the Flexi Rod. So if you don't have that many Flexi Rods, grab a small piece of hair from the section that you have clipped away. And you're gonna use that last section of the Flexi Rod. Now this, when I do this, I like to do it a little bit different. So instead of starting from the bottom, you're gonna just start at the part that doesn't have the other section of hair on it, and you're just going to wrap it around the Flexi Rod. This is an easy way to make more like sections. If you don't have that many Flexi Rods, you just use half and half if you have the longer ones. And sometimes I like to do this when I run out because I don't have that many. This is the hot cap that I'm going to be using, and it is the golden hot cap. I'll link it in the description if you want to check it out. I'm sure you can find it at your local beauty supply store, but I do have it on my Amazon storefront. Alright, it is later in the day. I let them sit for a lot of hours. We ended up going out much later than we did. So we're going to take the Flexi Rods out and get her done. You're thinking about locking your hair, just do it. Just do it. Because like the way that I had like hair commitment phobia, this is the best decision I ever made. Like hands down, I've never felt prettier. Like my hair, like one thing about me, my hair not done, I don't feel like a bad bitch. Like I feel like I look crusty. Time, but y'all look at this. Look at that, it's cute. to uncurl and the curls look a little ghetto, don't worry, okay? It's gonna be okay. Look at it. See, this is cute. I should have did all of them this way. So these are some of the first ones that I did, and they curl so much better next time. All the rollers are out. And what I like to do is a little rock and roll. If it doesn't give you a migraine, you didn't do it right. You see how that kind of separated the curls, but not always? Like, look at that. Look at that. It looked like I took some time to do my hair. This is what I love, like. But this is the look, guys. This is the look. You can put a headband on if you want to. You can pin them to the side. You can put them up. Like, it eats. It's gonna eat down every time. Like, look at that. And it's all me. I would have never done this as a loose natural because it would have taken simply too long. But look at that. Thing about these Flexi Rods, they don't last. My last Flexi Rod set lasted for at least a week. Like, my hairstyles be lasting, okay? It's like, you can pin it up. You can have it cap. Ooh, hold on. This is a little cute with a little pin up. I love them so much. It makes my hair feel so much fuller, especially as I go through this like awkward, my hair ain't that long and it ain't that full. It makes my hair feel so full. All right, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post, and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of the gang. Y'all know I post lifestyle, hair videos, vlogs, and all of that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to comment any styles that y'all want me to try, because I think I'm gonna be into it. Like, am I becoming a hair YouTuber now? Maybe, because these eat. So, see y'all in my next one.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer.